Well, y'all, it's a wrap. Finish up another day. Sorry for the hand. Man, close up the shop. The hot one. Got some aluminum work done. Got some stuff done. You know, just try to wrap up. Get some loose ends. See what we can do. How we can do tomorrow better. That's what we look forward to. We know we don't necessarily have perfect days, but grateful for the days that we have. Meet new people, do new things, new challenges. We can wrap up. Everybody's at the shop. Everybody's back at home now, but I'm just grateful. Again, I just try to take what I can from each day. What can we improve on tomorrow in life and in work and business, just in general. So just wanted to sign out with y'all, say thanks for checking in. Y'all have a good Wednesday. Hopefully you got some service or you got something going on. Time with family. I'm just wrapping it up, just closing up the shop. Hope to see y'all again tomorrow. Y'all have a good night. Serving God and burning rods.